Today I am gonna tell how to use CapCut Pro for free. First, open CapCut. Then press on Create Project. Add a video that you want to edit, for example. Add a video that you want to edit, now choose which premium sticker or effects you need for edit. Now drag your cursor while clicking left button of mouse. Now apply motion blur. Wait until it reaches 100%. Now click on search bar and search for CapCut. And click on Open File Location, then again Open File Location. Click CapCut and click User Data and click Cache. Then scroll down for Motion Blur. Then you will find your videos there. Drag them in CapCut and export, then enjoy.